simplicity, reliability, security. SonicWall wireless solutions combine fast 802.11ac Wave 2 access points with next-generation security, easy zero-touch deployment, and cloud-based management, so you can enable fast, reliable wireless access without sacrificing wireless security. And the Sonic Wi-Fi mobile app helps you monitor your network, easily onboard wireless access points, and set up wireless mesh networks. You can install Sonic Wave 200 series wireless access points anywhere you need Wi-Fi coverage, with interior and ceiling mount options and a ruggedized version for outdoor installations. Sonic Wave access points operate using Power over Ethernet, and mesh technology gives nearly limitless options for extending your wireless network by eliminating network cabling requirements. This level of security is provided by the access point before unknown attacks can reach your wireless users or IoT devices. SonicWall's content filtering also lets you block inappropriate, unproductive, and malicious web content right from the access point, while advanced wireless intrusion detection dedicates a separate radio to scan your network for rogue access points. You can also save up to tens of thousands of dollars, as well as avoid the complexity of physical wireless controllers by managing your entire wireless infrastructure through Capture Security Center, SonicWall's single sign-on, cloud-based management portal. Wi-Fi Cloud Manager provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies network access, control, and troubleshooting, and includes SonicWall Wi-Fi Planner, an advanced wireless network design tool that lets you upload a floor plan and develop an optimized access point map based on your environment. Adding SonicWall wireless access points to your network and managing them is simple with SonicWall zero-touch deployment and the SonicWall mobile app. Just scan the QR code, and the access point is automatically added to your SonicWall network infrastructure and is ready for management. Trust SonicWall for the secure, cost-effective wireless access your organization needs.